Hi, today we're going to take a look at some of the new features included in our latest web portal update, version 6.8.2. The first new feature we're going to look at is our improvements to the visual inspections. To do this, we are going to click Administration, Inspection List, and then Add. When we add a new visual inspection, we will see the yellow boxes are mandatory and the white boxes are optional. We'll have two choices, Inspection Set and Inspection List. For this, we are going to use Inspection List. This is one I've already started to create. I've added my contract, I've named the inspection, and it's an inspection list type. For component, if you wish to use this, the visual inspection will only be available for that component type. The first question, bolts missing, is the default that we would expect to see, with an NWA answer, but no more warning and alarm. This is our new bolts missing, so we can now remove one of these boxes and we can re-letter the boxes that remain. To remove a box, we would just simply take the letter out. For this one, no bolts missing, N, we would want that to remain green, and we could put a Y in here for yes. For the second question, although similar, it's phrased differently. So are bolts present and securely fixed? Again, we would like to remove the amber, but we would need to swap the green and red this time. So Y for yes and N for no. We also have the option to move these around and order them as we would like. We would then hit Save. To use our new visual inspection, we can add this to any component by simply editing the current visual inspection and changing this drop-down menu to what we have named our visual inspection. We will see our new questions are now available here. We can also do this by adding a new visual inspection point. Add point, select visual inspection and standard, and then again by editing and selecting the inspection list we have created. We can now see when we take the visual inspection, we have the yes/no options. This will also be transferable to your tablet. The next new feature we are going to look at is a filtering option. You'll see here I have several assets with different components underneath them. If we click Options, we now have the option to search by asset type or component type. We can start to fill out asset type, select and apply options. We'll see the assets here. This will only work if the asset type field is filled in and correct. Again, we can do this for components. This will only show the components under the assets that you have selected. The last feature we're going to look at today is the bulk delete of readings. You will see here on this electric motor that we have batch collection of readings for today, the 1st of August, and then no readings since 14th of April. Before this update, if we wanted to delete this batch collection, we would have to sit and delete them all individually and on every single point. Now at component level or asset level, we can clear these out. So we need to take a note of the dates these were taken, and the last ones. We can go to component level, tools, bulk delete measurements. We'll enter the date of the 1st. I will take that to the 1st of September. Confirm. And we'll now see that all the readings taken from the 31st of August have been deleted across the whole component. It is worth noting that although readings can be brought back, they can't be brought back in bulk, so they would need to be brought back individually. Thank you for watching our feature update video. As always, if you have any questions, please email support@avtreliability.com.